Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris. Today we have a very interesting project. It's a lot of information to get through though, so I'm going to try and jump into it as quickly as possible. But just a reminder before I do that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. All I am is a geek on the internet who likes to bring you mostly entertainment, some forms of information that you might like to take and look further into, but that's the key part. Utilize your own due diligence, do your own research, and always double check anything that you're thinking about investing in. That said and out of the way, we are going to jump into today's video, which is about DeepLink. So DeepLink protocol is a decentralized AI cloud gaming protocol. Before I dive in too deep, I do want to let you know that they have sponsored this video, and I would also like to let you know that there's a lot of information, so I have my notes in front of me just to kind of, make sure I'm not talking out my butt. I want to make sure that I'm giving you the right information and not getting too far off track. So what is it? Well, it is a AI cloud gaming protocol that is driven by AI and blockchain technology. The ultimate combination of narratives, bringing AI, gaming, GPUs, real-world asset tokenization, as well as decentralized physical infrastructure networks all together in one overall project. What this does is allows DeepLink to offer low latency gaming rendering technology that is able to then support an array of applications, ranging from esports, cloud esports at that, and cloud internet cafes, cloud-based AAA games, and blockchain integrated gaming, and even cloud VR, AR, and XR, as well as others. The DeepLink protocol is enhanced by AI technology, which can improve the rendering resolution and the clarity of games. So you can kind of look, obviously, it is very directed at gaming. You can see some of the differences, but they are offering ultra low latency, high resolution, no lag, no disconnection, and high stability. DeepLink protocol achieves a revolutionary technological breakthrough, bringing an unparalleled experience. The core technical team members have been working on the cloud gaming industry ever since 2011, including Cisco, Intel, Nvidia, Huawei, and Shunwang. Not sure about that last one, and other companies. DeepLink was established to the foundation of more than 10 years of research and development, so they've been working at this a long time. But it's important to let you guys know that there are two basic components of this, and one is the DeepLink protocol and the other is DeepLink's software. Each of those components is utilizing the DeepLink token, DLC is what that is called, and they use that for payment. And DeepLink protocol is a decentralized AI cloud gaming protocol, which combines AI and blockchain technology to provide ultra low latency game rendering technology. And then you have the software, which is a game remote control software and cloud gaming platform developed that is based on the DeepLink protocol. Some important stuff to look at here. You can see you have over 110 countries that they are providing services to. You have more than 1,400,000 users, and I think that may have even gone up to over 2 million users, so that is pretty impressive. Some other things is that they've raised $9 million in early investments, as well as a total of 10 million in public sale phase, or actually over 10 million in the public sale phases between 1 and 5. The public sale has ended. 8 tier 1 centralized exchanges have been confirmed to list DLC. They are currently waiting on one major top exchange for them to finalize their listing schedule, and once that time is confirmed, all exchanges will list DLC on the same day, and they will announce that date in advance on Twitter. So we do actually have, I have it pulled up right now, but you can also check out their link tree. We will have linked in the description, so you can easily find all of these different places for yourself. But now we should move forward into their node rewards and talk a little bit about that. Only node owners can participate in the CPU traffic mining and personal GPU machine mining. The total rewards is 12% of DLC tokens, 4% for CPU traffic nodes, and 8% for personal GPU nodes. The total token amount is 12 billion. The output per node is related to the actual number of nodes sold. If all are sold, each node will produce 100,000 DLC. If only 10% of the nodes are sold, each one will produce 1 million DLC. You can see their total nodes there, 120,000, no additional issuance. Each node receives additional airdrops, 30,000, and the minimum amount of DLC mined per node is 100,000 DLC. The initial price of this being 30 USD and the maximum price hitting 155. Now, importantly enough, there's basically two types of miners that are eligible for node sale, and that's going to be the personal GPU machine miners and CPU traffic miners. The more network users that DeepLink has, the more network traffic and computing power it will require, which leads to the need for more CPU traffic machines and more GPU computing machines to provide their infrastructure for the DeepLink network, achieving decentralization and helping DeepLink to overall grow faster. By purchasing node authorization, you will have the opportunity to participate in the mining and earning those rewards, of which I just mentioned some of. And with a couple of other notes on this, basically for purchases of more than 20 nodes, node operations can be delegated. Investors who buy more than 1,000 nodes individually will be provided with a full set of support for operating nodes, as well as the ability to dock with a cooperative operator to help run the nodes. One virtual machine can support 20 NFT nodes, and the income for that is multiplied by 20 times. Nodes can be used for GPU mining, CPU mining, as well as GPU mining. And another thing is, if the mining does not start within 10 days after their listing, rewards will be distributed through airdrops, with airdrops that will occur every 7 days. So investors won't really need to worry about delays there. So this kind of needs to be stated: the earlier that you purchase, the bigger the benefit will be. You know, tier 1 through 6 is going to be the best bonus timeline. And why is that? Well, 30,000 DLC giveaway is worth $90. So it's pretty good time to secure your place if this is something you are looking to do. But with all that said, I do want to remind you, as I stated at the beginning, I'm not a financial advisor, so this has to be strictly you on your own research. Make an educated decision, right? But that being said, you guys will probably need to know what the specs of what you're trying to work with are, or at least what they need to be. For the GPU requirements, your CPU frequency has to be at least 3 gigahertz, and your GPU needs to be from NVIDIA G4 series. It can be the 20, the 30, or the 40, and have at least 16 gigabytes of memory. For the CPU specs, the configuration requirements aren't that high. vCPU 1C with 2 gigabytes of memory and 50 gigabytes hard disk. Renting on AWS costs you $10 per month, and this is based on the bandwidth charged according to actual usage, but that's approximately what you can expect. After renting a CPU virtual machine on AWS, you'll install the DeepLink traffic node mining program, and from there you'll create a wallet address and transfer the node NFT to the wallet, and then activate the mining function which will allow you to participate in the mining. Before moving on from the nodes, you have the Orion GPU race under the DeepLink protocol is a significant incentive competition aimed at encouraging miners to actively participate in testing the DeepLink network. This competition is an essential preparatory step before the official launch of DeepLink, world's largest cloud gaming protocol platform, providing a solid technical foundation and an efficient computing power support for global future users or future global users. The current total number of GPUs in the DeepLink network is 0, so there's still plenty of openings there. So what is this all about? Well, a couple of things. The DeepLink Orion race is requiring a GPU, so it's a GPU computational performance competition. Only participants that have a node can actually join in the race. The total reward that is going to be put out there for the Orion Computational Performance Contest is 3 billion DLC, which is worth approximately 9 million USD. That is the worth they've been put at. So the faster you join upon this, the more, likely, the more additional mining opportunities you will be faced with. This is their short-term strategy for faster growth, boosting their user engagement, as well as giving those token incentives, and will overall improve their GPU rental systems. But the long-term strategy is going to be building a fully decentralized user-driven ecosystem for scalable computing and leveraging blockchain governance, and obviously ensuring sustainable rewards for their contributors. And here is actually where you will buy your node. We will have a link in the description where you also can get a 5% rebate if you utilize this to refer a friend. So that's good too. And, with all this out there, I strongly recommend you Google DeepLink protocol so you can learn more about it. We will also have links for you, but, always do your own research. Always go look at things for yourself. And one last thing to touch on before I get out of here, and that is they have several events going on. They have 2 events going on with Bybit that you can check out. As you see here, the total reward pool. Now, it does appear some of this has ended, so I might have missed that one, but they have stuff going on with Bybit, where one has 1.24 million participants on a $300,000 airdrop, and this one will, I believe, ends on October 31st. Yeah, so this one hasn't finished up yet. But then they also have another massive giveaway of 120 million DLC, which is worth around about 360,000 Tether. And that is going to be on this OKX giveaway. Can see right there, OKX, but we will have links to these in the description as well, so you can take part in joining these events and get in on these airdrops and different stuff. But yeah, that's all we really have for this one. I know there was a lot of information to get through. Tried to get through as pleasantly and as quickly as possible. I want to thank DeepLink again for sponsoring this video, and yeah, you guys let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you plan on jumping in? It seems pretty interesting. I'm a gamer myself, so cloud gaming wherever I go instantaneously without issue sounds great to me. So I hope they can be successful in their goals to create a decentralized AI cloud gaming protocol where it is just possible to just have seamless, consistently unlaggy games that are immaculate and beautiful. But we'll see what they do. That's it for this one, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.